The hell?
He lined up against that guy with no time, so she was forced.
Welcome back to the channel. Well, we're heading back over to Rob's. If you're a fan of the channel, then you've seen the white truck, Walter's truck. It's a Crewcab 18 F-150. Had a 2.9 Whipple. Keyword, had a 2.9 Whipple. He's swapping over to the new 3-liter Gen 5 Whipple. So they're getting ready to install it and put it on the dyno. So let's see what she makes, and then we'll take it back to the track and see what we can get out of her. What happened? Kept a little reserve.
Holy shit.
Yeah, in case we ever need it, it's here.
Wow.
Storage.
Storage.
You wanna take a picture of that and let them know what they left?
Guess so.
They probably looking all over for that rag. Fuck the tape.
Gen 5 time. Almost that time.
Halloween, I ain't never been to no Halloween party.
Those are fun though.
Yeah.
Those are fun. Dress up a little, get some liquor going.
I'm gonna just go as a mechanic. So.
She gonna be like, all right, I get you want to look the part. You ain't had to smell the part. You could have changed.
Let me just go as a mechanic, you know.
All right, let's get a quick cut here. So what we doing here, man?
Dying. Just doing a little pulley change on this thing.
We want some more boost?
Yeah, guy said ain't enough.
This guy?
Yeah, the guy behind me. Said ain't enough. He said a lot of smack talking going on.
Trying to get that Crewcab record?
Yeah, he gonna get it. Without a problem. Without a built motor.
Ooh, stock motor?
Stock motor.
This.
We'll wait for this.
What do we got? We still got cats on here, right?
Got everything on here.
Everything.
Match our weight, come the way we sit, and see what happens.
Ooh. Ooh.
Now, I don't usually talk shit. I don't talk shit. But you know, they out there.
They out there?
They out there. You know, I'm hearing like little birds out there chirping. You know, they breaking records. And they on the light side. They light duty trucks.
Ah.
Light duty trucks, you know? We come in full weight. It's a heavyweight fight.
We purpose built.
Come on, man. Use this thing
Didn't
every day.
you just have this thing full of lumber?
Listen.
Yep.
If I open up the back, I guarantee you I'll show you some drills and some log splitters and all types of stuff. You know what I mean?
You name it.
He's a contractor. That's what these guys doing these days.
It's a work truck. They can put in work. All right. All right. So we're going to just add a little more boost. A little more boost. The hell?
He lined up against that guy with no time, so she was forced.
It's about 550-ish. Yeah, just let me know what it has to be. What? That part doesn't even matter to me. Three? Yeah. Hey man, hold on one sec, Mike. Unfortunately, the car that ran next to you was a no-time car, so I couldn't see the time.
Oh yeah?
So, what the slip say? What we got? 10:41.
Yep.
Woo! Looks like we got the record back.
I think so.
Yeah. Nice mile an hour.
Wait, 20s.
Yeah. Heavy 20s, tailgate, cats, everything.
Mufflers.
Yeah, you just pull up behind the red car. Ooh, that number.
Cardinal cover. Everything.
Feeling good?
Yeah.
Got what you came for? Lay that smile. Lay that smile. Tell those guys on
82-degree day.
yeah. Tell those guys on the internet that you got your record back.
Yes.
We are the fastest again
That's it.
for at least a day, hopefully longer.
Not for longer, you know?
Well, we'll close this video off here. We had a very productive day at the track. Walter here got a new personal best. So happened at this time to be the fastest new supercharged crew cab. And make it even better, did it at full weight. Like everything's still in it. No stripping down, no drag tires yet. Just drove in from a 4 hour drive from Long Island down to South Jersey, right in the lanes, ran low 10s. I'd say that that Whipple's doing some work.